In this video, I will show you how to create business email. First, log in into your Namecheap hosting account. Click on Hosting List. Then click on Go to cPanel. Now scroll down and click on Email Accounts under Email. Now click on Create. Now enter username. Then enter password. Then scroll down and click on Create. Now see, our business email is created. Click here to check email account. Now click on Open. Now see, our email account is opened. From here, you can send email to someone and check inbox to get email from someone. If you have any question or need any help, please contact with us. Thanks for watching.